Hi everyone! I'm out here, it's cold, and I'm gonna try to put these lights up. Some of my lights are not working, you know how that happens. So I'm gonna have to add some extra lights into it, but I thought I'd just show you guys what I'm doing. Okay, I got these actually from Temu, if I'm pronouncing that right. And I don't have enough to put it on every section of my fence, but I like the way this looks a little bit better. So I think from this gate down, I'm going to try to put this prettier greenery. I just think that looks a little prettier. I found these adorable bell looking things. They were $10.99 at Hobby Lobby, so I splurged a little, but $10.99 with half off made them like $5.50. So I thought they would be cute on every other post. What I'm going to do is just sort of do that, but I have these little green wire things because I don't want it to be up here. I want it to fall just a little lower and a little flatter. Yeah, that's pretty. So what I did was I tied it over here, and then I just hot glued a little piece to go flat right there. And then what I think I'm going to do is just go, you know, in and out. And I want it to be flat. I think that'll work. And I might have to tape some down every so often, but we're going to see how this works. Wow, I could not be happier with the red ribbon. It just, I don't know if the camera is showing it as pretty. I'm out here in my front yard and I feel like I'm on a mad dash to get things done. And it's freezing out today. It's like 40 degrees. But I wanted to show you real fast how I'm going to transform my window boxes from the dead mums fall-ish to Christmas. I'm going to try my best to make those mums look a little better with some spray paint. And it's so cold out here. Here's a trick I do. I need to be able to work, but I layered up two things of rubber gloves. I can still do things without having, you know, like mittens or gloves on to, you know, prevent me from not being able to work. So wish me luck on this window box today because it's cold. Okay, so I have some red spray paint and I just pulled the mum out of the window box and we're just going to give it a really good coating of some red spray paint. I'm focusing mainly on the front because you really won't see the back that much. So you just want to get a real good coat on there. And a bow always makes things better, in my opinion. Okay, and then for the last thing we'll do is we'll hang my wreaths that I hang on all my windows. And I like to leave the little ribbon legs coming down because it gives it more color. There you go. That's what it's going to be this year. Okay guys, time me. This is what's going to take the most time here. All right, my video says 2 minutes and 8 seconds. So I just transformed my front porch into Christmas. You know, Steve already got my nutcrackers out. So look how pretty, just simple and easy. Anyone can do it. So that was pretty easy. I plugged it in, and I think I'm gonna have to adjust some things, but here it is on the house.